All right, thanks so much for coming out. It's getting late, I know. My name is David Pitzer. I'm with Tyrion Integration. A little background, Tyrion Integration was built about 4 years ago with the primary goal of making the Industry 4.0 a reality, like in a practical way. And we've got an industrial background, but we really wanted to leverage everything that the cloud and all the emerging technologies could do and really make practical solutions. So from that, we offer a full suite of cloud services that are tailored for a industrial SCADA system, and we develop the hardware device that allows you to plug and play straight into that cloud system. On this project, we partnered with another contractor to develop this whole facility, Pros Incorporated. Pros handled all of the equipment design and fabrication, and Tyrion handled all the electrical controls design and the automation. So in order to get the kind of performances that Timberland was looking for on this facility, we leveraged two main technologies. First of all, we leveraged the Bedrock automation platform. That gave us local cyber-secure monitoring and control, and we were able to leverage their secure power management and UPS systems. We also leveraged Tyrion Integration's cloud services, which coupled with the device that we make called Nucleus, gave us 24-hour surveillance remotely from anywhere, provided SMS alarm notifications, a full SCADA suite, and also gave them all the automated reporting for like well testing and all those analytics they're looking for. So this is a simplified architecture for the system. We had all of the I/O, the field instrumentation and controls wired to our Bedrock controller. It handled all of the shutdowns and safeties, monitored all of the systems there. And it was backed up by Bedrock's power systems, their secure power supply and their UPS. So that's critical. We had those systems in place being unmanned for the most part. We needed that reliability and regular monitoring. Then we had a local network there, very simple for local operator interaction while they're there. But Nucleus was placed there in order to dynamically pull all of the information out of the Bedrock controller and send it to the cloud, where the operators and managers could then remotely see it from whatever device, smartphone, tablet, their laptops, you name it. So what we were looking for in a control system was something that we could really deploy quickly, but be flexible and scalable on the system. It was a greenfield application. We needed to get up and going, but we knew we needed to grow, and it needed to be simple. Bedrock really offered that with all of their universal hardware, and it's just extremely easy to scale and grow and configure. They also offered the elevated level of cybersecurity, which was critical to this. Unmanned station, it needed to be protected. We had data going to the cloud. We were able to leverage their built-in cybersecurity in that platform. And finally, we had the reliability. It was a bulletproof platform, still is, and so we really relied on that for the reliability there at the facility. Then from the SCADA system, we needed something simple. There wasn't an existing architecture. There wasn't an existing SCADA system. We wanted something that we could spin up quickly without investing huge amounts of time in development and server spin-ups and software installation. So we were able to leverage Tyrion's cloud services so that it was very plug and play. There was almost no configuration. It connects and it shows you all the data that's available. Automatically provides all of the SCADA features you would expect: the trending, the alarming, the notifications, the reporting. And it also offered. We also needed something that would connect to that cyber-secure device. So we needed a platform there that could connect to this secure device in the field and securely get that data to the cloud. So we need to support those protocols. So the system we ended up with we're able to provide that 24-hour surveillance. We didn't have to be on location. You said you have to really want to be there, but if you didn't want to be there, you could still see it remotely from wherever you needed to. That allowed access by operators, managers, other investors in the facility. We also were able to provide immediate process notifications. If there was an alarm, if something was going on, the right person got notified immediately, and then they could log in and see all the details and the diagnostics of what went on. Then they could better send out the right person with the right tools to get that job done. And finally, with the cloud, we were able to generate these automated reports, the well tests, and bring in those analytics, provide it right in the hands of the engineer to make those decisions on the facility. So to summarize, I wanted to put the icing on top of the cake here and point out that we were able to create this state-of-the-art facility and platform, and it still ended up costing $50,000 less product to product for a traditional SCADA approach. And that was due to two things. One, the simplified architecture that we were able to get using the Bedrock platform greatly reduced the controls engineering that we need to do. It allowed fewer numbers of spare parts. And plus, there is no licensing fees with that platform. So all of those costs right off the bat, we were able to bring those down. And the second part of it was utilizing the cloud services. Again, there wasn't the time spent installing a traditional SCADA system and infrastructure and the man hours to develop all those screens. We were able to leverage those services that were already built and jump right in. And again, eliminating those license fees along with the SCADA system. And the second thing that's just great about the facility is it's by design equipped for the future. It's already built on industrial standards using all the latest protocols and programming languages. It's cyber-secure by design, so ready for any future attacks. And all of that data is already in the cloud, ready to leverage any future technologies and systems that might be able to be added to the system later on. So thank you very much.